go, Yanni. Okay, now sit calm. Have you explained?
Yes.
Okay. Brittany, what you're going to do is you're going to pull a beanbag out of here so that your sister can ride to that color. And we're going to follow her, okay? So, pull a beanbag out of here. There you go. Now pull. You got it? Pull. Oh, yay! That's a red beanbag.
Ready?
Okay, so we're going to follow Ashley when she's going to lead us to the red beanbag.
Whenever you're ready, we're going to walk around and find the red square and stop.
Walk on.
Tell Yanni walk on.
Walk on, Goldie.
He needs to hear you. On.
It's a close video here.
Follow Christy. Tell him on.
Sorry about that, folks.
Pretty words on.
Hey, good job. And then repeat your reins and give her a scratch.
Okay, we'll wait until we get to the next one. Okay. Would you give our